also have cucumbers, squashes, and watermelon. Start with the cucumbers, work our way from the small fruits to the large. So we have the bush pickle, which is a very small, compact plant, nice for container growing, more of a pepper cage kind of style, not the big trellis like the other larger cucumbers. So it does produce that smaller pickling style of cucumber, but you can eat them fresh. We also have the bush crop, which is a little bit of a larger fruit. The sweet sliced cucumber is more your standard size cucumber. It's not the long hothouse that I'll get to in a moment, but it's that standard size, nice thin skin and crisp flesh in there for you as well. The burpless or the specialty cucumber is that long hothouse style cucumber. Very minimal seeds and thin skin. Onto the squashes, we've got your yellow crookneck squash and your zucchini squash. We also have a honey bear acorn squash. And lastly, we have the moon and stars watermelon. So the moon and stars part is that outside skin, big circles of yellow, small dots of yellow, kind of that moon and stars look. It has a pink flesh, very sweet, and averages about 10 pounds per watermelon. So we have those in stock. Come on out, we look forward to serving you.